Eloquent ORM in Laravel. Eloquent in Laravel Object Relational Mapper ORM that makes working with database easier. Each database table has corresponding model, and you can use simple PHP code instead of writing complex SQL queries. It also handles relationships between tables like one-to-many or many-to-many, making data interaction faster and cleaner. HTTP requests and routes. Laravel handles HTTP requests using its routing system. Routes are defined in routes/web.php for web page and routes/api.php for APIs. A route maps URL to controller method, a closure, or directly to a view. This allows Laravel to process incoming requests and send back the right response in an organized way. Blade Templating Engine. Blade is Laravel built-in templating engine used for designing views. It allows developers to create dynamic HTML pages with simple syntax. Blade support template inheritance, loops, conditions, and variable. Display with automatic HTML escaping for security. This helps keep the front-end code clean, reusable, and easy to maintain. Security features. Laravel includes many security features by default. It protects against CSRF, cross-site request forgery, by generating tokens and forms, prevents XSS, cross-site scripting, by escaping variables and stop SQL injection, using prepared statement. It also has built-in authentication and authorization strong, password hashing, and support encryption to keep sensitive data safe. Task scheduling. Laravel provides a task scheduling system to automate repetitive tasks like sending emails or cleaning up records. You define schedules in the app /console/kernel.php file using the schedule method. Instead of writing multiple cron jobs, you set one cron job that runs Laravel scheduler, and it executes all defined tasks on time.